Today, the A Collegian with Purpose Project Spotlight is on Miss Alexandria Skeete. Ms. Skeete is the founder and principal of Avanah Coaching and Consulting. Let us welcome Ms. Skeete to the A Collegian with Purpose Project under the Spotlight.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Dr. Stephenson. It is such a pleasure to be here. I am so looking forward to our conversation today. Thank you for having me.
Ms. Skeete, we'll get away from work for a minute, right? Let's bring it to your circle of friends, you know, whether it be family or people that you spend time with, you know.
Yeah.
Is conversation about purpose a common thing?
I would say yes and no. It just depends. As a person who talks about purpose a lot, it's bound to come up, right? I love depths of conversation, like the conversation that we're having. So because I am who I am, it's going to come up, but not necessarily. I could say yes if I think of my friends at work or friends in the certification programs that I'm a part of. We just like studying people and relationships, but not necessarily, not casual.
Do you think there are any benefits of having that conversation with not your coworkers or people you work with, or clients, but with people that you may hang out with or do something with? Do you think there are any benefits that we derive from that?
Yes, and when I say I don't think it comes up, I don't think we're using the direct term purpose, like what's your purpose? But I think asking questions like, what's something that you did today that brought you joy? I think that's a question that ties to purpose without necessarily saying purpose. Or if someone says, yeah, I want to switch. If one of my friends says, oh, I want to switch careers, I want to do something different in my work, then I think purpose comes up there, right? As they're searching for something different. If we're talking about faith, what is God calling me to do in this season of my life? It comes up like that. So not the direct word purpose, but purpose is an undercurrent of that.
Maybe is the intentionality element left on?
Yeah, maybe. I don't think I'm not intentionally having conversations with my friends specifically about the topic of purpose. And it might be because it's my work.
and yes, could very well be. And what about in schools and with the younger generation?
Mhm.
Is there some work to be done there?
Yeah. Yeah, I think a lot of times it's a part of the role of teachers and guidance counselors in the school systems to help students as they figure out whether they want to go to college or they want to go straight into industry. So I think purpose definitely serves a purpose in the school system. I haven't been actively involved in the school system since I've graduated, outside of like alumni association. But I think especially college programs that have any type of entrepreneurship initiatives or funding, I think there's a conversation around purpose there.
Yeah, I think there's room for improvement.
Mm.
In fact, one of the motivation behind this program is to create more awareness, and especially in underserved communities where we have more at-risk individuals. So I think that if the conversation more common, and so that's one of